Why use YouTube TV? YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that offers a cable-like experience without the contracts or equipment fees. It provides access to live TV, sports, news, and cloud DVR, making it a great choice for cord cutters who want an alternative to traditional cable. Below are the top reasons why you should consider using YouTube TV. 1. 100 plus live TV channels without cable. YouTube TV includes major broadcast networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, PBS, ESPN, Fox Sports, CBS Sports, NBC Sports for sports fans, CNN, MSNBC, Fox News for news coverage, AMC, FX, TBS, TNT, Comedy Central, Discovery for entertainment. No cable box contracts or hidden fees. You can cancel anytime. 2. Unlimited cloud DVR storage. Record as many shows as you want with unlimited DVR storage, included at no extra cost. Recordings are saved for up to 9 months and can be watched on any device. Fast forward through commercials and recorded content. 3. Live sports and local channels. NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL, NCAA, and soccer games available on ESPN, Fox, CBS, NBC, and TNT. Includes NFL Network with an option to add NFL Sunday Ticket. Local affiliates for ABC, CBS, NBC, and FOX let you watch local news and sports. 4th, simultaneous streaming on multiple devices. Stream on 3 devices at once, with the option to upgrade to unlimited screens for an extra fee. Works on smart TVs, streaming devices, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, gaming consoles, mobile phones, and web browsers. 5. Customizable add-ons and premium channels. Add premium networks like HBO Max, Showtime, Starz, Cinemax, Sports Plus add-on, NFL Red Zone, Fox Soccer Plus, MAV-TV. 4K Plus add-on for Ultra HD streaming and offline DVR downloads. 6. No contracts, cancel anytime. Unlike traditional cable, YouTube TV is month to month. You can cancel or pause your subscription anytime. No long-term commitments or hidden fees. 7. User profiles and personalized recommendations. Create up to 6 profiles per account, each with its own personalized recommendations, DVR, and watch history. Family-friendly settings allow parental controls for kids. Who should use YouTube TV? Sports fans. Includes NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL, and NCAA coverage. News and live TV viewers. Access to major news networks and local CBS, NBC, ABC, and Fox. Families and households. 6 user profiles and 3 simultaneous streams. Cord cutters. A cheaper alternative to cable with no contracts. DVR users. Unlimited cloud DVR with no storage limits. YouTube TV is an excellent choice for live TV streaming, offering a cable-like experience with better flexibility, unlimited DVR, and no hidden fees. Whether you love sports, live news, or primetime TV, YouTube TV delivers a premium streaming experience without the hassle of cable contracts.